welcome to my channel. My name is Valkyrie, and I'll be your host for this video. So today I would like to show you how to connect your TikTok screen key to OBS. So we'll come right over here to my browser, and we're right on TikTok here. So all you have to do is, if you successfully got OBS access, you literally just go to live over here. It has to be in your browser, make sure it is. So you go live, and then right where it says go live on the left side of the screen, you hover over that. You don't click it, you hover over it, and right where it says OBS. If it doesn't say OBS, that means you do not have OBS access. In order to start getting OBS access, you have to join a creator network and apply to get OBS access and a stream key. And then the creator of that network will send in a request form to get you the OBS access. I can do another video on that if anyone needs it. So, once you hover over Go Live and you click on OBS Access, you will come to this screen. Set whatever options you want, of course, but you don't have access to a stream key or URL quite yet. So what you need to do is you need to click Go Live. You need to, of course, set your settings here for wherever you want so you can go live here. I'm mostly a gaming streamer, so I just do that. And then you save and go live. After you do that, you get a blank screen with a spinning wheel of screening. And right here is your server URL. For that, I use Atom Multistream for my OBS, so it's a little different. But for you guys, if you do not use any add-ons or plugins, you would go to your main OBS settings, then you go to stream, and right here where it says service, TikTok is not an option, so you want to hit custom. And then when you go to custom, you have a server URL section and a stream key section. So you just have to enter those in. And so and there's a copy right here, so you can just simply copy it very easily. And for me though, with Atom, I would go here to the settings, and I would go to the output settings. I put my URL here, and my stream key here. So the stream key, we can actually order that because we are putting in a new one. So you copy the stream key. It's hidden, but you just copy it. Then go back over to OBS. You want to paste in the stream key, then save. Make sure you save the output if that is if that's an option that you have to do. Then you click OK. So once you do that, you have to stay in the browser. Make sure you're still alive. But you have to come here and start streaming your TikTok. Yeah, so I'm echoing a little bit because I'm watching my stream, which I don't want. There we go. See, now I'm live, and yeah, you can control chat here if you want as well. You can use Tickfinity to also show your chat on the side where I usually add it. I know if you can't see my mouse in my stream, but hopefully you guys understand. I'm pretty new at making videos like this, so I really hope I did help. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again in the next video. If there's anything I might have missed, feel free to mention it. I can bring that up in the next video, just as a correction note. But I hope you all have a great day. Bye!